Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing, clicking on the bell for notifications and giving this video or any of my videos the thumbs up. It does help, you know, helps the channel keep on growing. So this is a little bit different from the norm. It's from a company called Divoom, and it's a Ditoo-Pro, the retro pixel art portable speaker. Yeah, it's a speaker, but with a difference. And when they asked me if I'd like to do a review on it, I thought, well, I'm not too sure. So I watched a couple of videos and I thought, yeah, I want to do a video on it. It looks really cool. What's it say on the side? DJ mixer, daily tools, online community, 5,000 milliamp battery, internet radio stations, social media notifications. And yes, you will need to download an app. Just thought I'd let you know. Right, let's do it out of the box. Nice little bag, by the way. Quite like that. Quite clever. Now, do I need my knife? Not for that part, anyway. Or that part. Nice little carry case. Oh, it's rubber. Yeah, so it's rubber. That's plastic, that's rubber. Very clever. Some bit of information on the back with a Q code, Ditoo-Pro, Divoom, I don't know, Bluetooth, so it's Bluetooth connectivity. And we have a little button on the side to open it up. And there it is. Very nice. And that, does that need to come off? Is there a little cover on there or what? It's just some sort of some etching on there. What's it say? Ultimate music experience, and I can't read that bit up now, so I'm not going to try. Let's get her out. Something about connections, so there might be something behind here. Let's have a look. And voila, there is. So make sure you pull everything out to see what's behind. So we have, I believe this is for charging it up. USB, let's get that. Yeah, USB to USB type C connection. That's a purple connection, that one. So it's probably a 3.2, I'm guessing. Might be totally wrong. Quality control sticker. Nice little touch. We have some stickers. And they are stickers. See that? Let me just quickly show you. And also a user manual, and that looks like, oh, it's not too bad. It's different languages. Yeah, very nice. Read that. I will need to read that. Seen that? Right, get them out of the way. So here it is. So we have, I'm guessing that's an on-off button. Couple of keys. Storage. I'm guessing it's got a nice touch to them. They feel really solid as well, good quality. Look, joystick or some sort, only does down mode, you know, like that. Yeah. Slot in the back, on off. Oh, there's your on off. I thought that was your on off, but it's not. It's that. Oh, hang on. There's a little peeler here. Another Q code. And voila. Let's get all this plastic off, shall we? Have I broken it? Look, it's come loose. Oh, it's under there. So we have USB type C connection. It says 5 volt 2 amps. And memory card. Takes a micro SD. Not sure how big a SD it will take. And on off button. Oh, that's very good. I like that. Nice little touch. Right, I'm going to get my knife to get this bit of plastic off because it's annoying me. It's not coming off that easy. Give me a second. Right, let's turn her on and see what happens. See that? What's that say? 0103. 01.03. Now, is that the date, time, or what? And you've got flashing lights there, look. That's cool. I like that. First impressions, it has a nice little weight to it. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. It feels like it's, you know, it feels like it's good quality, and it feels quite expensive actually. Right, let's see what the buttons do without doing anything. Nothing. Oh, something happened. That one. Oh, look at that. We've figured out how to change different scenarios. Now, is there a cover on? There is a cover on now. No wonder. Right, let me remove this. That's better. Looks like a spaceship. Right, what button was this one, wasn't it? Speaker. Was that mute? Oh look, it's going down. Right, it's volume then. So that's volume. So we have a plus and a minus. Easy enough. Right, so what else can we do? What's this do? Not sure. Oh, different screens. Hot, just like me. Oh, what happened now? Did I accidentally turn it off? Oh, you're supposed to jump. Oh, that's good. That's very clever. Hot. Now, can you see why I decided I wanted to do the review on this? Yeah? It's interesting. Yes, it's a gimmick. You know, but it's a good gimmick. It's a bit of fun. It's a speaker, and hopefully the quality of the audio is really good. We will find out once I've figured out what I need to do. Obviously, there's an app to download, like I said earlier. So, give me a second. Let's sort it out, shall we? Right. So, first things you need to do is to connect it to your Bluetooth device, which in my case is my phone. Yeah, very easy to find. In fact, I found it straight away. Obviously, you need to make sure the actual unit is turned on itself first, otherwise you're never going to find it. Right, so once I've done that, I thought, well, I need to test it, make sure it actually works or does what it's supposed to do. So I thought, oh, I'll play a bit of music, and yeah, very easy to use. You can go forward to the next track, back to the previous track, and pause and unpause. Yeah, very easy. Just volume, of course, and you can even adjust the brightness like I showed you already. So yeah, had no issues with that. I thought, well, what about video? Does it work on video? And again, yeah, it works exactly the same. If you've got more than one video you're playing, you can go to the next video or previous video, pause and play. So again, no issues. And same as if you went on YouTube as well. I did try it out on YouTube, and that done exactly the same. So I could play a YouTube video, skip to the next one or previous one, no issues. Now, so once you know it's working okay, you need to download the app. And then just type in Ditoo-Pro and away you go. Now, you don't have to register, but you will get a better experience if you do register. It will just work without registering, but I'm not sure if you'll get the full functionality. I registered, I thought, well, it only takes a few minutes to register, and easy enough to do, like it should be anyway, and away you go. Now, the menu. Now, I did find the actual menu quite confusing, and the reason for that is there is a lot on there. There is a hell of a lot on there. There is so much you wouldn't believe it. You can even follow people who do the artwork. You can actually do your own artwork if you're that way inclined. For me personally, I just wanted to download some and see what she looks like, and yeah, works really well. Once you finish messing about with the artwork, to me the best bit was here, and the most simple bit was here. So you go to here, you click on, say for instance, device settings, and you can make some adjustments. Yeah, and I found this, oh, that's easy to do, isn't it? So we have 24-hour clock, change that to 12-hour. You can adjust the temperatures from centigrade to Fahrenheit, Bluetooth, auto reconnect, turn on and off, remember power on and off volume, things like that. And these little menus here. Now, we have music, and it has radio stations. Now, I found the search button, this thing here, not very useful, because I searched for some local radios or some radio stations in the UK, and it wasn't coming up with nothing. So say for instance, smooth radio. Now I know I have one called smooth radio, but for some reason it doesn't find it. I didn't find that very useful. But it does have some nice radios and they do work straight away. Let's try my favourite one. That's not working.
Queen from
That's really loud. Let me turn the volume down.
the album Jazz, no surprise, Freddie's song and Don't.
Yeah, that works really well, doesn't it? It's a bit loud. Now, some of the other things I like, you've got like design. Yeah, and you can add them or take them away. So I've got that one. So it comes up on there. The ones I saved that I was messing about with. Now you can delete it, but I'm not sure how you delete it, but you can. Is that it? Cut, delete. Does a play button? No idea what I'm doing there. Ah, there you go, delete. I'm definitely going to delete that. Cannot delete. Why can't you delete? Go back. So we have design. We can design your own animation. So you can add your own animation, which I thought was quite good. Oh, doing something different now. Editor. So you can edit your own text to come up as a message on there. Again, I thought that was really good. Pixel colouring. Custom mode. Task mode. Not sure what task mode does, but there you go. And that's pretty good. That's quite good. Look, girl dancing. I thought that was quite sweet. Press OK. Choose what sort of dancing she's doing. Exit her, because I don't want to do nothing. Let's do this bit again, shall we? Right, so once you finish playing about with your pixels, the best thing I found about this app, you know, besides the little pixels and messing about with the pixels, is this one here, the far left. Now it allows you to go into device settings and change from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock, disconnect Bluetooth, change your temperature from centigrade to Fahrenheit, notification sound you can turn up and down, light intensity again you can adjust, auto power off, mine set to never, which is quite handy if you like that sort of thing. Now music, now it has some really good radio stations on here, but the search, I didn't like the search button. You know, I done a search and I typed in smooth radio and it didn't find it. Perhaps I'm doing it wrong, I don't know. But it didn't work for me. Now I've got one favourite and I'm going to quickly play it because of copyright rules. Like I said, quickly play it, and that works extremely well. But like I said, on the music side, there is a lot of radio stations there, but for some reason the search button can't find what I want. Don't ask me why, but look at it, massive. And then you have local radio, apparently, Forever Young. Local radio will be actually on your phone, and then we have TP audio. Now you need to plug in a TP card for it to actually play anything. I don't actually have one in there at the moment, but you get the idea. We have alarm, and you can set up multi alarms, very handy. We have sleep mode. Yeah, 15 minutes, 30, 10, 45, 60, 90. And what's this all do? Music? Midnight? Meditate? Bit of thunder? Quite realistic. Water? Underwater? like that. Pretty good. Planner, chat, you can chat to your friends that you joined up with. A voice message. Now your voice message only does up to 60 seconds apparently. Pixel colouring. So you can do your own bit of colouring. Let's see if that works. I'm not going to do that one, but you get the idea. Mixer. Now, I did find this quite interesting. A mixer. Yes, a proper mixer. I am not kidding you. There's some instruments up here. Let's select that one. I got or the flute. Yeah, I thought that was cool. And you can record it. You can do your own editing, things like that. Look. Turn it down a bit. Even got a shaker. Look, a shaker. What's this? Turn it up a bit. Good bit of fun there. I enjoyed that. That's good. So you've got loads of instruments. You can do quite a lot. Not just with the pixels, but you can do other things like play music, listen to music, and the quality of the audio, listening to music out of this, considering the size, is very good. Especially on the bass. Really impressed with the bass. It is loud, and this thing gets really loud, and it doesn't seem to distort. So I don't know how they've done that on such a small device. Works extremely well. Let's get back to the final review. After spending a bit of time with it, I do find it very good. The actual audio or quality of the audio, whether listening to music or someone talking, something like that, is very good. There's a lot of features actually on the software. Far too many, I think, in my personal opinion. You can do a hell of a lot, not just with the pixels, but like I showed you just a minute ago with recordings, playing your own instruments, saving things, you know, like setting up a timer and things like that. It works extremely well. I do find it a little bit complicated on trying to figure out how to get to certain parts, like the games. Now, I know it has games on there because I played them earlier, and when I went to play them again, I couldn't find them. I mean, well, where are they gone? They were here somewhere. So it can be a little bit overwhelming, and it will take you and me some time to figure it all out. But yeah, for what it is a bit retro. I did think this was quite new, but apparently it's been out for a few years now. And yeah, I love the green. Wasn't sure which colour to go for, and they sent me the green one. I thought, I actually like that one. And I'm going to keep this and put it somewhere on one of my shelves and play about with it even more than what I already have. And yeah, look at that. Yeah, still working. I'm not sure how long the battery will last. I would imagine fully charged it would last quite a few days. Nicely built as well, in my opinion. So, who's it for? Well, I suppose it's a bit for everyone. It's nostalgia. So, ideal for someone like me who likes something a bit retro. It's ideal for children and teenagers and people who just want a bit of fun. So with that, as always, I will stick links in the video's description so you can go and check it out. And if you found this video useful in any particular way, you know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give this video the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I might do an update in the future to see how I'm getting on with it, alright? And let you know.